Welcome to Style with Audrey. Today I thought I would take you down a little walk around my neighborhood. I live in Brooklyn, specifically downtown Brooklyn area, and there are just so many cute places around. Hopefully a lot of it will be eye candy for you. It's a beautiful day outside. I don't know why I'm filming this intro in literally my stairway in my building, but I'm excited, so let's go. But first, mask on.
Stars and moon and sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you laugh. I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back. Try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align. And for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. I could sit and listen to you talk, ignore the time and throw away the clock. I'd love to hear each thought upon your mind. I'd love to hang on close to every